Hi friends, I wanted to introduce you to this awesome online resource called NewsELA, and this is going to be supporting our learning for reading as we continue to learn remotely. So this has a lot of amazing articles about current events and also past events as well. These are all informational texts. Before we can start using this website for our learning, you first need to learn how to log in. So I've actually already created our classroom in NewsELA using your CPS email and password. So in order to log in, the first thing you're going to need to do is type in newsela.com to your web browser. The next thing you're going to do is press Join Now. It's going to ask you if you're a student or an educator. You're going to click I'm a student. Now it's going to ask you, are you joining a teacher's class? And like I said, I already created our class, so you're going to make sure you click yes, and then you're going to enter this class code. Our class code is HYKYDW. It will say joining class 207. That's how you'll know that you have entered the correct class code. Then you're going to press next. Now, it's going to give you this option to add your name and your username, but like I've already said, I created our class using your CPS emails, so you're going to click Sign Up with Clever. It's then going to ask you to type in your school, and you need to type in Hamline Elementary. Now remember, we're not Hamline Elementary St. Paul. There's two of those options. We're John H. Hamline Elementary School in Chicago. You're going to click Login with CPS Credentials. It's going to take you to the CPS logo page where you're going to type in your CPS username and password. This is the username that I put in your red folder before schools closed. You're typing it in without the @cps.edu. You're going to press sign in. And we know how mine loves to ask me security questions, so I'm going to type those in really quickly. This screen will pop up as it's loading. And as easy as that, you are logged in to NewsELA.